Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's quick Q&A video is to answer this question. What's up with DACA? For those of you who don't know, DACA stands for Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, and it is an immigration benefit given to children that came to the United States either undocumented or maybe they came with a visa that has since expired. And so years ago, there was an initiative called the DREAM Act to enable these children to get some form of immigration status. And so back in 2012, President Obama, through an executive order, allowed certain children to obtain this immigration benefit, which basically allows them to work in the United States for a period of 2 years, and during that period of time, they will not be deported. This administration made the decision to end DACA on September 5th, 2017, and it's been very contentious in this country, and a lot of federal judges have actually enjoined the government from being able to stop DACA. So the Supreme Court has decided to hear this case to determine whether the government was able to, whether the government's termination of DACA was lawful. And so the Supreme Court, through this decision, can either decide that it can't hear the case, and so the government could possibly be able to continue with its plans to end DACA, or the Supreme Court can decide that it can hear the case and it could side with the government and say that the government's termination of DACA was lawful, or the Supreme Court can decide that the government's termination of DACA was unlawful. In the meantime, if you have DACA, you can continue to renew it. However, you won't be able to obtain advanced parole, which is what typically allows you to leave the United States and come back. And if your DACA has expired, you can still renew it. However, I strongly recommend that you speak with an immigration attorney to understand what possible consequences you might have with applying or renewing your DACA status late. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you. Thanks for watching.